আমি Vijay Beriwal, President, Institute of Indian Foundrymen. This is the largest foundry association in the country. We are having members from the foundry production units, raw materials and machine suppliers. We have got 4 offices with head office in Kolkata, then Delhi, Chennai and Mumbai. We have got 28 chapter offices. We have got nearly 4,000 members from all over the country. Foundry industry is now resurging back because of anti-dumping duty levied in America and Europe on Chinese products. The casting orders are coming to the other countries, and India, being the second largest producer of casting in the world, is at the place where we can grab those orders. And today, Eastern India, particularly West Bengal, is going ahead, coming up with new greenfield 125 foundries, which is the largest number of foundries coming up anywhere in the country. These foundries are coming in West Bengal in Ranihati Amta Road Foundry Park, Raniganj Asansol area, Ulberia Bagnan area. Being now the focus is shifting to the value-added castings and the quality castings, so all these casting foundries are coming up with the modern technology, and we estimate with an investment of nearly 2,500 crores and employment can be generated up to 20,000 people for direct and indirect employment will be generated by these new upcoming 125 foundries. We can understand that the foundry industry, being the mother of the all engineering industry, in spite of the fact that Bengal is not having any large industry, but the foundries in Bengal, they cater largely to the export market, to the defense, to the railways, to the oil mill machineries, to the jute mill machineries, to the tea garden machineries. Foundries post-COVID or because of COVID are suffering labor problem due to the non-commencement of the local trains, being the laborers are living in the adjacent rural areas. But still I can say that the foundries have come up with their 50 to 60% of the production capacity of pre-COVID, whereas export had already reached to the almost same level of the pre-COVID to the present level. Now as I am coming as a new president, national president for Institute of Indian Foundrymen, and I am a man from Bengal, my major thirst is on the renewable energy, that is solar power energy. My second thirst is on the water conservation. My third thirst is the domestic indigenous technological development. আমাদের এখানে মাত্র the biggest problem is the cost of electricity, which has to be looked into, and it should be come down at least by 40 to 30% for the foundry industry, where electricity is the major source of energy.